Odisha has become the number one state in the country in terms of rising prices of various commodities. As per reports, it is the highest rate of inflation in the country for 6 successive months. As per the recently published retail inflation report by the Union Government, the retail inflation rate has logged 7.1% in Odisha in April, which is the highest in the country. While the average inflation rate in the country for the month of April has receded to 4.8%, which is the lowest in the last 11 months, the graph is continuously showing an upward curve in Odisha. The Odisha High Court has ordered the Director of Elementary Education to submit an update on the status of the identification of teachers who have been appointed in government schools by allegedly submitting fake educational certificates. The court has also asked the concerned department to file an affidavit in this regard. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Odisha on 19th May to further intensify the election campaigning of the BJP in the state. He is likely to have a meeting with senior leaders on election-related issues at the state headquarters. On 20th May he will first perform darshan of Lord Jagannath and later hold a roadshow at the Grand Road of Puri. PM Modi will later leave for Angul, where he is scheduled to address a public gathering. He will then address another election meeting at Cuttack before returning to Bhubaneswar. And the India Meteorological Department on Saturday informed that a low-pressure area is likely to form over Southwest Bay of Bengal around 22nd May. As per the forecast, the low-pressure area is likely to move initially northeastwards and subsequently concentrate into a depression over central parts of Bay of Bengal around 24th May. IMD senior scientist informed that at present, there is not much clarity on whether this system will intensify into a cyclonic storm, and hence the department has issued a forecast till the depression stage.